Hi traders, you're welcome back once again to the Bullish Bear FX Academy. My name is Tim Legend. I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. So you're welcome back once again to the 2024/2025 trading syllabus. Here in this channel, our goal is to teach you a whole lot you need to know and probably everything you need to know about trading from start to finish till you become a professional in this. And the goal is we want to take you guys step by step until we make sure that you are good in the trading industry. So what you want to do in case it is your first time here is to hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and please, as a way to show the support and as a way to show that indeed you appreciate our efforts and what we're doing in this channel, make sure to hit the like button. And at the course of the video, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop them on the comment section, because based on your question, I will understand where you need more explanation and know how to teach you more even in subsequent videos. All right, so make sure you engage in the comment section. So let's get into the main video.
When price gives you higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, okay, and suddenly you can start you begin to see things like some naughty reactions around that zone. Maybe it's beginning to range. Okay, when market is beginning to range, instead of going higher high, continuing the normal movement of a bullish trend, at that time the market is considered to be range. It is called an indecision period. Indecision in the sense that the bulls and the bears are still battling in one zone. Where do we go next? What do we do? Okay, and as long as they are still battling, they haven't decided, it is dangerous for you to be in that zone. As a retail trader, it is dangerous for you to look for buying or selling opportunities until there is a breakout. So probably if there is a breakout and a retest, then you can look forward your entry around here to see if you can ride on, to see if the bullish trend has continued, and then you move on. Because sometimes it could go the other way around. That breakout and move. Whenever you see a bullish trend suddenly create a range, two things can happen. Either a reversal can begin or continuation can also begin. So just stay out of a ranging market. All right, stay out of a ranging market. Now let's talk about a bearish trend. When the market is being bearish, it's considered to be what? It's considered to be low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so each low that is being created, you want to bring out your resistance lines. Okay, now it is anticipated that market should always find resistance and respect the resistance, whereby market disrespects a resistance zone, breaks out of it, and heading straight up. Okay, if it gets here, it is anticipated that it ought to respect this other resistance and probably send back down. But most times you will see price will send back down instead of continuing to go deeper. It will respect this guy's support and even go higher, and then break out of this guy, go a bit more, even respect it as a support. All right, and what would it do? It will keep going even higher, breaking all this edge. Whenever it breaks this full-time edge here, let's say we have this as the source of the bearish trend. Whenever it breaks out of it and continues, then you know a full-time bullish move has begun. So I'm just trying to teach you how to confirm when the market is fully bearish and when the market is fully bullish. Now, all these things depends on the time frame you are looking at it. All these things can happen in any time frame. So in a 1 hour time frame, if the market is bullish and suddenly from a bullish move, you end up saying that, hey, the market has broken the edge of the source of the bullish trend, in the 1 hour time frame and has begun a full-time reversal, then you can say that in that 1 hour time frame the market has become bearish. But don't get it twisted. In a 4 hour time frame, which is a much higher time frame, it could still be looking so bullish. But in a 1 hour time frame, it could begin to look bearish. So it now depends on you. How are you going to take the trade, or how are you going to analyze it? So all these things are things we are still going to learn in due time. So I'm just giving us a clue of market structure, how market creates all these things, and how you should be able to view and understand them. Okay. Now let us go to the main chart and take a few examples. So here's 24 hours. Let's go start from the 4 hour time frame. So for instance, in this 4 hour time frame, volatility 75 here, we have the market to be bullish all the way from here. So this is what the market is doing, creating high, higher low, high, but it's not higher than the previous high. It stopped halfway. So this is another thing to notice. Whenever this kind of thing happens, let's go to the normal board. High, high, low, high. All right. It is expected the market should create another high. When markets respects, make it even simpler. For the bulls, for the bullish trend, all they need to respect is a support. The bulls have nothing to do with resistance. It shouldn't be resisted. When a bull is resisted, then the market is questionable. Vice versa. For a bearish trend is resistance. They always want to disrespect support. So when a bearish trend suddenly respects a support level, then the market is questionable. All the bull need is support. 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 Okay? He doesn't need any resistance. So if anything happens, all right, if anything happens and a bullish trend suddenly respects a resistance level and goes back down, trader, the market is questionable. Because at this time, you can see clearly that market structure has just been destructured. So you want to be careful what's happening. If you are buying before, probably maybe you bought all the way from here and you've been buying and buying, and suddenly you saw this guy respect a resistance coming deep down, deep down. You want to check out if maybe you should start taking your profits or lock your profit, whichever way. Okay? If he respects it, now a mistake some traders do sometimes is when it respects it and come all the way down, they want to instantly place another buy. No, don't instantly place another buy until you get proper confluence, because this already has created a chart pattern which you can see a double top, and which you all know already that when a double top is seen, it needs to send down. So it means the bears have gained power from somewhere. Okay? So the market is questionable. So the only thing that should happen is find some support from anywhere around and go continue. When it does not find support here, it does not find support here, it doesn't find support here, and gets this previous support, if it ends up breaking it and even goes deeper, just be careful with that market.